Today we will walk through the process of disabling syntax highlighting for code editing in WordPress. This tutorial is designed so you can complete the changes in just a few minutes, and it will guide you through each step in a clear and straightforward manner. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to your WordPress website. When you land on the homepage, take a moment to become familiar with the layout before proceeding. Once you have the homepage loaded, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you will find the login option. Clicking on the login button will initiate the process, allowing you to access your WordPress account. This design is meant to simplify the overall website experience so you can quickly get to managing your site without unnecessary distractions. After clicking on login, notice the option that says continue with Google. This is a streamlined way to access your account without the need to enter multiple passwords. Selecting this option allows you to choose your preferred Google account from a list, making the sign-in process both efficient and secure. By using this method, WordPress leverages an authentication process that simplifies your workflow and reduces the time spent on logging in. Once you have successfully signed into your account, your next step is to locate the area where user management settings are kept. In your WordPress dashboard, find the section labeled Users. This area provides administrative tools that let you view and manage the details of your account, along with any other registered users associated with your website. The interface in this section is straightforward, designed to help you quickly access the information you need. After accessing the Users section, proceed by clicking on your profile. In this part of your dashboard, WordPress provides a range of customization options that allow you to adjust your personal settings. This is where you will be able to control various aspects of your account, including the way code appears while you are editing it. The profile area is designed to be user-friendly, allowing you to navigate through the available options without any hassle. Within your profile settings, scroll down until you locate the section labeled Syntax Highlighting. Although WordPress uses syntax highlighting by default to enhance the readability of code by adding different colors and formats, you might prefer a simpler, less visually cluttered display. This feature can sometimes interfere with the way you want your code to look, especially if you are focused on maintaining a minimalistic environment. When you reach the syntax highlighting section, you will see an option that enables you to disable the feature while editing your code. Simply turn on the option that states Disable Syntax Highlighting when editing code. This change ensures that from that point forward, your editing screen will display your code without the additional visual formatting, offering you a more straightforward view that might be easier on your eyes and better suited to your editing style. Before concluding the process, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Here you will find an Update Profile button. Clicking on this button is crucial because it saves all of the changes you have made. Without this step, your preference for a non-highlighted code editor will not be recorded, and you may not see the change take effect. Once you click Update Profile, your new settings will be applied immediately. Following these steps, you have now successfully disabled syntax highlighting for code editing in WordPress. Enjoy the cleaner interface tailored to your personal needs as you continue to work on your website.